Welcome to Juban Rd MD Family Medicine. We are excited to show you a brief tour of our office and introduce you to our staff and services. Located at the corner of Juban Rd and Florida, we are just a skip away from most of you in Livingston Parish, in the Dixon office complex. There are no massive parking lots or elevators here, just simplicity and ease of access, along with a lab core right next door to us for lab draws. Granted, this facility has been here for a while, but don't let that fool you. We have remodeled the entire office and are high-tech with a large flat-screen TV, energy-saving LED lights, and a plush lobby with HEPA air filtration, coffee, and free water. Access Today Health patients, a special program through certain employers, are welcomed with no wait, no copay, and no appointments necessary. We run Epic software for electronic medical records, which functions seamlessly with Ochsner, Our Lady of the Lake, Baton Rouge Clinic, LSU, and North Oaks, along with being the largest system in the country for electronic medical records. You can view and track your own labs through MyChart, talk with your provider, and even schedule appointments online. Our clinic can provide EKG, spirometry, cryotherapy, laceration repair, I&D of abscesses, along with carrying the most common vaccines. We strive to be the best place to receive your medical care in the area in a clinic owned and ran by Dr. Dale, a local hometown doctor who has lived his entire life outside of training in Denham Springs. Our clinic will be here for the long haul. If you are ready to find a doctor that cares about your health and wellness, will treat you like family, is knowledgeable, board certified, a fellow of the American Academy of Family Physicians, and has room for new patients with nearly every insurance except Medicaid, WellCare, and People's Health, look no further and call us at 380-1771. You will be offered an appointment in nearly all cases the same day or next day with rare exception. We look forward to seeing you at Juban Rd MD Family Medicine.